I don't know. I'm not going to actually make any presentation. I'm simply going to speak. Before I speak, I want you to speak. And let me just throw some questions to you, and then we will, take forward our sessions. Because the topic is something which most of our speakers, excellent speakers, have already covered the entire things around about corporate social responsibility. But my topic is, the theme is that how CSR is embedded or can be embedded across the organization, or across the business, which is very challenging, and that is the whole issue, in fact, we have to think about. I guess that most of us present here in this room belong to corporate, and some of you are from NGO. Are you from NGO sector? The questions? Okay. But this question goes to people who are from corporate sector. How many of you know your personal carbon footprint? What is your carbon footprint? Yes, I'm happy that. So annual carbon footprint, do you know about it? Yes, there is a software actually, if you just fill up the, absolutely right. The next question is that how many of you know about your water footprint? It's not unexpected, actually expected. There won't be answer, I know that. And third is energy footprint. What is your personal energy footprint? Anyway, I don't want to embarrass you because this is very common. I'm not, I'm asking questions just to, understand or make you understand these are the things, these are the issues we are talking in corporates. Now, sustainability is a very, common word we are using. We are coming out with a report, sustainability report, and in that report we are disclosing something on our company's carbon footprint, water footprint, energy footprint, social footprint, everything, and then economic footprint. So I just give you, before I tell you the analysis of this questionnaires, I tell you very recently on 12th of June, we came out with our own first sustainability report of ArcelorMittal India Limited. Let me tell you that ArcelorMittal India has an intention to set up a business in India. We are not operational yet. We are in the beginning phases, you can say. But still we think that we are making lots of impacts. The business is making lots of impact on range of stakeholders. And we had internal discussions and debates because I raised this thing that, these are the kind of impacts our business is going to make now. These are the impacts business is likely to make once operation begins. And post-operation, you have some kind of impacts. But we are liable to our responsibilities towards the impacts which we are going to make in order to mitigate those impacts. Now, there were lots of questions internally that we are not operational. Why are you raising this thing now? And let us do things when things start or operation starts. But no, this is what I'm trying to tell you, that corporate responsibility, I'm not going to use corporate social responsibility because it really narrows down to the company's responses to community, right? When you call it as corporate social responsibility in India, it is about the community development programs or community engagement programs. I'm going to talk about corporate responsibility, and I belong to a school of thought which has a different meaning or understanding of corporate responsibility. And that is what we are practicing. Now, it has three verticals. The first vertical is that mandatory with regard to the impacts which you are making, it has to be mitigated. There is no ifs and buts, there is no other questions or this thing, that since if you are making, suppose we belong to steel sector. So we are, making different kind of impacts. So for us, the responsibility is to jot down those kind of impacts which we are making and we have to see as to how we are mitigating, not only mitigating, that our footprints has to be positive.